When you unpack your Propress steamer, you will find the steamer, a 4-part pole assembly with top hook, a hose assembly, 3 casters, a funnel and instruction booklet. Assembling your Propress steamer is straightforward. First, push caster stems into locating holes on the chassis. Screw poles together firmly. The pole height can be adjusted using the 7-inch extension pole if required. Make sure the hook on the pole is positioned over the steamer to ensure stability when steaming heavier garments. Attach hose to hose coupling by pushing down and twisting clockwise. Remove protective cover from nozzle and hang in the hook with the holes pointing upwards. Always return the nozzle to this position when not in use. Your Propress is now assembled and you are ready to go to the operating instructions. To fill your Propress with water, undo the filler cap. Then, if using the Pro 290, measure 2 litres and pour in using the funnel provided. When the boiler is full, you will see the red max indicator in the sight glass. Be careful not to overfill. If the float is touching the sight glass, it is too full. Empty the excess water. Replace filler cap. Next, plug in and turn on your Propress. If using the Pro 290, push the on-off switch down and it will illuminate. It takes between 5 and 10 minutes for the steam to appear from the nozzle, depending on the temperature of the water. You are now ready to use the steamer. When the steamer is empty, a buzzer will sound. The refill light is clear. Switch the steamer off. Disconnect the power and wait for the steamer to cool. Once cool, refill following the instructions. If steam or water is coming out of the safety cap, the steamer is either too full, needs rinsing out, or the hose is kinked, preventing the steam going to the nozzle. Straighten the hose. If using a drapery hose or working at low levels, condensation can form in the hose. It will be necessary to periodically lift the hose up so it can run back into the steamer. You are now ready to use the steamer. Switch the steamer on, making sure it has water in it. When the machine comes up to steam, leave for a minute for the nozzle to heat up. Then pick up the nozzle and flick to remove any condensation. Make sure you do this away from yourself and others. Always steam fabric in the vertical. Steaming horizontally will result in condensation being emitted from the nozzle onto the fabric. The holes in the nozzle should always be horizontal to avoid a build-up of condensation. The steamer and hose get hot when in use. Never steam clothes that are being worn or touch the nozzle or steam. If you are steaming at low level or using a drapery hose, the steamer may start to gurgle and emit steam from the safety filler cap. Lift the nozzle up so the hose is vertical and let condensation run back into the steamer. When not in use, hang the nozzle on the hook with holes pointing upwards. Always make sure the hose is not kinked or twisted, as this will damage the hose and cause steam to be emitted from the safety filler cap. The Propress steamer is designed to be used on almost all fabrics, from PVC to linen. If you are in any doubt, test by steaming a small discrete area or contact Propress. The steamer cannot scorch or burn fabric.